Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on flashlight by shaking your phone in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Go to settings here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Go to shortcuts and accessibility and click on smart motion, and here just to turn on this button, share to turn on the flashlight. Just to turn on this button so that you can shake to activate the flashlight on the home and or lock screen with the display on. Okay, your display should be on, okay, should not be turned off. And at the same time, from the home screen, this is home screen, or from the lock screen, here you have to shake your phone to turn on the flashlight. Okay, without turning off your phone you have to do it. Okay, then only flashlight will turn on by shaking your phone. Okay, now I show the demo. See here, flashlight is turned on. Okay, if you again shake, flashlight will turn off. See here. Okay, I am doing it in the lock screen. See here, flashlight turned on by shaking the phone. Now it is turned off. So in this way you can easily turn on flashlight by shaking your phone in Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.